Think positive, because thoughts are like the steering wheel that moves our life in the right direction.
One portion of ice cream. This is my milk powder. And this is my milk powder. This is my liquid milk. This is my whipping cream. Let's add our sugar. This is condensed milk. I'm adding condensed milk here. I'm adding evaporated milk. I said I'm doing one portion of ice cream. Yeah. I'm adding a drop of vanilla essence. You see, so this is our ice cream. More cream ice cream. I used whipping cream, milk powder, sugar, condensed milk, evaporated milk, liquid milk, then vanilla essence. So now it's done. I'm not going to sieve it, no. I just want the milk powder to be like this. I'm not going to sieve it. So now put it in the freezer. I'll put it in the freezer for it to chill. Then I'll come and show you the results. Okay, so cooking is creativity. So maybe if you can't afford the ingredients, you can try different procedure. It's very simple, very rich and creamy. Yeah. You see the milk powder on top. No, I'm not going to sieve it. I want to feel it. Yeah, I'm not going to sieve it. Okay, so we are still on the ice cream. I'm whipping it. Yeah, so I was still. This is our ice cream. I'm going to put it in the fridge now. You see the ice cream? Yeah. So this is my vanilla creamy ice cream. If you want to try, you can try some. It tastes like yogurt. The taste and the smell. But it's vanilla. And the cream too is so many inside. You see the ice cream? Yeah, so creamy. Very simple to eat, to take some or to eat.